Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about converting from decimals to percentages. The only fraction decimal percentage conversion easier than this one is the one in the opposite direction, percentages to decimals. So this one's going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to do all 10 of these examples in another video, so if you want some extra examples to help you, check that one out. Right now, I'm just going to look at some really basic examples to show you the principle. The only thing we have to do is multiply by 100%. Now, I said that quite glibly. Anyone who's very mathematically minded might realize that if you multiply by 100%, you end up with what you started with. So let me explain what I mean. If we have 0.5, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply that by 100, which means we move the decimal point twice to the right. So that's going to be 50, and then we add a percent sign. So when I say multiply by 100%, I mean multiply by 100 and then add a percent sign on the end. If you don't add the percent sign, then you haven't written a percentage. Let's look at two other examples. If we have 1.7, that multiplied by 100 is going to become 170, and this is a percentage. If we had 10.02, let's make it 021. If we multiply that by 100, we move the decimal point twice, that becomes 1002.1%. So, before I wrap up this video, I want to point out three important ones to be aware of. This is 1%, 10%, and 100%. So to convert 1 to a percentage, we multiply it by 100. That gives us 100. And so 1 is equal to 100%. The decimal 1 is 100%. 0.1, if we multiply it by 100, gives us 10. And so 0.1, 1/10, is 10%. And finally, 0.01, if we multiply it by 100, that gives us 1%. So these are really important ones to be aware of because you can use them to check the size of your answer in your mind. If the number was close to 1 in value, the answer should be close to 100%. If the number was around 0.1, the answer should be around 10%. And if the number was around 0.01, the answer should be around 1%. If you'd like to see me go through the rest of these examples, check out the next video. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching.